beautiful one-bedroom apartment here, staying right next to the Petronas Tower. It's called KLCC Sky Park. Pretty nice for like the setting.
I'm at the Thean Hou Buddhist Temple here in Malaysia, and I'm going to give you like a tour inside. Stay tuned.
As the sun begins to set over Kuala Lumpur, one of the city's most beautiful landmarks starts to glow. This is Thean Hou Temple, one of the largest Chinese temples in Southeast Asia, perched on a hill overlooking the city skyline. The temple was officially opened in 1989 and is dedicated to Mazu, a Chinese sea goddess believed to protect fishermen and sailors on their journeys across the ocean. Over the years, it has become not only a place of worship, but also an important cultural landmark for both locals and visitors. What makes Thean Hou Temple unique is its blend of architectural styles. Traditional Chinese design meets modern construction, creating a stunning six-tier structure filled with intricate carvings, red pillars, ornate roofs, and hundreds of decorative lanterns. Getting here is relatively easy. The temple is located between Kuala Lumpur city centre and the district of Petaling Jaya. Most visitors arrive by grab, taxi, or a short ride from KL Central, making it one of the most accessible cultural attractions in the city. As you walk through the temple grounds, you'll find prayer halls filled with incense, peaceful courtyards, beautiful gardens, and panoramic viewpoints overlooking Kuala Lumpur. During major festivals such as Chinese New Year, the entire complex transforms into a sea of lights and lanterns, attracting thousands of visitors. Even if you're not religious, Thean Hou Temple offers something special. It's a place where history, culture, architecture, and spirituality comes together in a way that feels surprisingly peaceful, despite being surrounded by one of Asia's busiest cities. And as the evening settles in, it's easy to see why this hilltop temple has become one of Kuala Lumpur's most photographed and most loved destinations. This is something you can do. You just pull this out and then put it back, then choose one number, and then you can like literally pull this out, and there'll be a note for you. And they have like up to 100 numbers, I guess, and I already chose mine, so I'll show that part later. Lights are coming. So in this temple, you can just go in, walk in, pretty much you gotta put your shoes outside, and then you can do donation and also light up incense. That's the Buddhist way of doing things. And you can also do some small activity there where you can, get a piece of paper based on the number you chose. Don't know much about Buddhism, but I know for a fact that it's very close to Hinduism. The the logic behind it. So there's karma, and then there's suffering. It's all actually exists due to the fact that you have an attachment towards physical things, or it could be a relationship, whatever it is that you desire. Desire is a feeling. So Buddha basically got himself rid of that, like desire, attachment, and made peace with himself. But and then he achieved enlightenment. So he kind of broke the cycle of suffering, rebirth, and all that. But I'm beginning to think like I also would love to explore Buddhism further. Now I might need to like stick with like meditation and follow some certain practices, the teachings of Buddha in particular. Actually came to the side. Kind of like this view here, so I'll just come here and film it. Probably that's something to eat. Oh, we literally missed these statues. I'm glad I came here. Who are these? They are indeed scholars. Wow. Beautiful. That is some kind of center. Don't know for what. Cultural Activity Center. Maybe they do something over there. Not really sure. So we're gonna head back. Figured out you can literally walk in here, see the statues for yourself. Yeah, these must be the monks. Goju. Based on the actual scriptures, they all got distinct faces. I know a bit of Chinese mythology through playing the Wukong game, but let's see if there's any character reference. I think he was called Thean Hou or something. Gotta find that person out. Trained to Chinese exemplars, Wang Shang, Zhu Shushang. He sounds familiar. Yu Qinlao, Ming Zong. No, I don't know him. Well, this one's different. He got an animal. He strangled a tiger to save his father. Oh Lord, that's crazy. Jin Dynasty. The tiger's only appeared carried his father away by its mouth. Yang strangled the tiger without thinking of his safety and managed to save his father. Good stuff.
Okay, this one's pretty shredded. He fed mosquitoes with his blood. This guy, he was a sucker for mosquitoes. Wu Meng lived during the Jin dynasty in Puyong. He was known to be violent to his parents since he was 8 years old. His family was poor and could not afford mosquito nets. Oh, so he sacrificed his body for the mosquitoes. Then there's this guy, Wang Xiang. His mother died in childhood and he was mistreated by his stepmother once during winter. Okay. I don't know what's special about him. Okay, this one's okay. Kui's great man, Madame Tang, was very fine. She was young. She breastfed her mother-in-law, was unable to eat after she's in the high rank. She was okay. Something about breastfeeding. Again, another Wang. I wish I knew at least one person from here. She Kaishun. Warm the blanket. That's it. Today's day with all the statues. We're gonna go this way to the top. Figure out what's there. Oh, that's awesome. Love you forever. Okay, gotta be careful. Shouldn't slip. Could be the last part of the visit. Another view.
Non, mais genre, ok, je vous filme là. Non, vas-y, là, t'es bien. Mais non, mais genre, je filme d'abord là et après, vous allez devoir vous isoler. Et qu'on est, c'est quoi la rapidité? On va faire. Vous filmez d'où?
You get the full skyline of Kuala Lumpur and then the lights.
Et après, vous allez là-bas, je vous suis. Ok, vous êtes prêts? Et genre,